Hello friends, and thank you for joining for today's session. Today's session is very important for all of you. In today's session, I'll talk about a very important topic called mental wellness. Most of the people in today's time is suffering from various mental health issues from the very young age until the old age. But mental health issues are taken as taboo in our society. Most importantly, we have to change our attitude toward mental health issues. All of us are doing certain things about our health. As we all know that we are doing gymming, exercising, walking and various forms of exercises to keep our body fit. But we are not doing anything about our mental wellness. People are suffering from various type of illnesses such as depression, anxiety, schizophrenia, bipolar disorders, obsessive compulsion disorders, and various type of phobias. People are not aware of what to do when these situation arises in their life. Either they seclude themselves to a isolate place or and continue to suffer in the silence. But friends, I am here to help you out in this problem. I will be sharing with you certain tools that you can utilize in your life to overcome this problem of mental health. So you don't have to worry about your mental health issues. You just have to follow certain things daily in your life and you will overcome all of these problems related to mental health. Having said this, most importantly is that you can also develop your mental faculties to such a level where the life phenomena of life becomes a wonderful experience to you. So in order to enjoy the life, your mind should be developed to a certain level where you can actually experience life in its true beauty. But most of us are not able to concentrate the energies of our mind. This is a very sad phenomenon because in our schools, in our colleges, in our education system, we do not talk about mental health issues. Mind is a tool that you should learn to use, but the mind is using you and playing its drama in your imagination. You have to understand this, and more than understanding this, you have to practice certain techniques, tools that you can utilize in your life. Meditation is such a tool. Yes, you heard it right. Meditation is a tool through which you can actually train your mind to a tremendous possibility. I have utilized this tool in my life. The tool of the mind was discovered by me in the year 2013 when I just post-graduated from University of Leeds. I was facing certain problems. Having done my masters in engineering, then I realized that the life needs something else. There is more possibilities to the life. So life is a composite consisting of your mind, body, emotion and energies all coming together to make you experience the possibilities of the life. But we do not focus on the tools. We just focus on the experiences. But you can manufacture your experiences if you know how to use your mind, body, emotion and energy. I would also like to give one more important terminology to you, that is called spirituality. I have discovered spirituality in year 2013 I practice spirituality, I follow a spiritual life, and through my experiences, what I experienced through all these years, I would like to put forth a case before you that a life without spirituality is not a complete life. You have to learn more about your life through spirituality. You have to develop yourself mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. You have to walk on a way that is called spiritual evolution. We as a human being are more than just this body. We are evolving spiritual human beings. Spiritual evolution is very important to your life because spiritual evolution consists of development of your mind, body, emotion, energy, and a mystic dimension, which you will get access to when you practice meditation. Today I am limiting my discussion only on meditation, but in the next video when I come, I will bring certain more techniques and discuss about the meditation in detail. So friends, first of all, do not worry if you have any mental health issue. Do not go by the society. Consider it as just another problem, and we will give you certain techniques that you can utilize to overcome the mental health issues. Not only that, but you can develop your mental faculties too, like cognition, metacognitive abilities, concentration, focus, attention. All these faculties can be developed. Surprisingly, no one talks about it. But through our programs, through our classes, through our discussion in these videos and this digital content, you can change your mind. According to new researches, the brain structure can be changed. You can also change your thought processes, genetic makeups. All these are happening and all these are possible. But you require certain tools that you can utilize to implement the procedure to change your mind, body, emotion, and energy. So thank you everyone for joining me for this digital content about the mind and meditation. I'll be giving you certain more such videos which you can utilize to improve the life that you live and also inspire others to live a wonderful life. God has gifted this life to you, and it is now your responsibility to make it in a wonderful piece of life.